Today I'm gonna be upgrading the fog lights. I mean, not the fog lights, the headlights. I go with these, bought them on Amazon. Had good reviews. Really brighter, and they're a lot brighter. They should be a lot brighter. They're the H7s, and these are for the low beams. So what you do is, I already took the headlight out, but I'll show you guys on this one over here. So you're gonna unscrew the headlight. There's one 10mm bolt. There's three 10mm bolts. One there, one right there inside. You have to get an extension and unscrew it. This one right there, putting it back in, that one's a beat, because when you turn it back, put it back in the hole, it always falls, and it usually falls inside. And you better hope it falls to the ground. And then the third one is this one right here. So you're just gonna have to unbolt the bumper a little bit to get to it. I have quick releases, so I get this done quick. But there, for the bumper, there's one, two, three, and then four over here bolts that you're gonna need to unscrew so you could get the bumper a little bit off. And then I already took this one out, as you see. Well, and then if yours is not like mine, there's also another bolt on the sides right here. I'm gonna take that one out so you could bend it a little bit and get that one off. Once you unscrew the headlight, you take the lights off. So 1, 2, and then 3. I left the other one over there on 4. But down here, you're gonna take this screw off right here. I'm just gonna make sure, take a picture of this clip so you know how it goes back in. It was pretty easy. The lid, there's a hole, so it's pretty obvious that this goes through the hole. And then over here in the screw, the screw is what keeps the spring on there. So you're gonna unscrew this, you're gonna take this light bulb off, and then you're gonna replace it. With these, let me do that right. These you're gonna have to modify, because these are taller, longer, and this sticks out. So as you can see, the wire that used to hold the other ones didn't hold them anymore. So I tied up some string to the screw, and then when I tightened the screw, I overlapped it and then tightened the string from this side. I also put some wire to reinforce it. So this is sturdy in there, this isn't moving. So you're gonna have to do this to modify these, because if not, these are all loose and then they're gonna fall out. So yeah, just that little modification. And then this is gonna be your new plug. So this is gonna go out through the little thing right here. The wire is gonna go out through here, and you're gonna put this back and then put everything back together. Before you put the headlight back in, make sure you test it out, make sure it works before you put everything back in. And then you turn on the light and you notice it doesn't work, then you have to take everything out. And as you can see, I need to clean the headlight because it rained over here and it's really dirty. But this is a lot brighter than that one over there, and it's a lot more white. Compared to this one. This one's a lot more yellow and dim. The camera can't really pick it up, but forgot to record last night. But as you can see, these are brighter than the high beams. high beams are yellow, these are white. Can't really see them, it's the daylight. But you can see the color, white and yellow. So I'm really liking these. Just washed the two. Had to put these stickers on it because my mom backed up into it and hella dented it right here, but popped it out and everything. I still got the scratches, so I put those stickers on it. I don't know what y'all think about them. Is it hard or not?